Ever wondered how bricklayers transform a stack of bricks into a sturdy house? It's not magic, it's blueprints and tools. Blueprints or drawings guide bricklayers on what to build and how. Think of scale rulers as the key to unlocking the secrets within these blueprints. Mastering the art of using a scale ruler and reading drawings is crucial for any aspiring bricklayer. Let's get started and turn those blueprints into reality. Imagine baking a cake without measuring cups. You'd end up with a mess, right? The same principle applies to bricklaying. In bricklaying, accuracy is just as crucial. Every measurement counts, and precision is key to a successful build. Every brick must be placed precisely to ensure the wall is strong and level. A single misplaced brick can compromise the entire structure. That's where the scale ruler comes in. This tool is indispensable for any bricklayer aiming for perfection. It's a specialized tool that measures and transfers dimensions from drawings to the construction site. It bridges the gap between the architect's vision and the builder's execution. Understanding how to read and use a scale ruler is essential for translating the architect's vision into a tangible structure. It ensures that every detail is followed to the letter. It ensures every brick is laid in its rightful place, creating a visually appealing and structurally sound building. With the scale ruler, precision becomes second nature, and the end result is a masterpiece of construction. Just like different screwdrivers for different screws, there are various types of scale rulers for specific tasks. The architect's scale offers a variety of scales on a single tool, making it versatile for various applications. The engineer's scale uses scales based on divisions of an inch, helpful for finer measurements. Selecting the right scale ruler depends on the project and the drawing scale to ensure accurate measurements. Imagine assembling a complex puzzle without the picture on the box. It would be nearly impossible to know where each piece fits. Bricklaying drawings are like that picture. They guide bricklayers to create the final structure. These drawings are essential for ensuring accuracy and efficiency on the construction site. These drawings contain crucial information about the building's design, dimensions, and materials. Without them, the construction process would be chaotic and prone to errors. Key elements in bricklaying drawings include several types of views and details that provide comprehensive guidance. Plans show the layout from a bird's eye view, giving an overall perspective of the project. Elevations provide a flat view of the building's walls, showing height and design features. Sections reveal the inner workings of the building, such as the structure and materials used. Details zoom in on specific areas for more information, ensuring every aspect is clearly understood and executed. Now that we've covered the basics of scale rulers and drawings, let's delve into practical tips for beginner bricklayers. These tips will help you build a strong foundation in your bricklaying career and ensure you develop the skills needed to excel in this trade. Start with the basics. Practice with simple drawings and tasks. Begin by familiarizing yourself with basic construction drawings and simple bricklaying tasks. This will help you understand the fundamental principles and techniques. Ask questions. Seek clarification from experienced bricklayers or instructors. Don't hesitate to ask questions whenever you're unsure about something. Learning from those with more experience can provide valuable insights and shortcuts. Double-check your measurements. Accuracy is paramount. Always double-check your measurements to avoid costly mistakes. Precision in measuring ensures that your work is both structurally sound and aesthetically pleasing. Use the right tools. Invest in a good quality scale ruler and other essential tools. High-quality tools not only make your job easier, but also improve the quality of your work. Ensure you have all the necessary tools before starting any project. Practice makes perfect. The more you work with these tools, the more proficient you'll become. Repetition is key in mastering bricklaying techniques. Regular practice helps you develop muscle memory and improves your overall efficiency. Pay attention to detail. Drawings often contain subtle details that impact construction. Carefully examine construction drawings to understand every detail. Missing even a small detail can lead to significant issues down the line. Visualize the structure. Try to visualize the three-dimensional form of the building. This helps you understand how different elements come together and ensures that your work aligns with the overall design. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. View mistakes as opportunities to learn. Every mistake is a learning experience that helps you improve. Embrace them and use them to refine your skills. By following these tips, you'll build your confidence and become adept at using scale rulers and reading drawings. Confidence in your skills will make you more efficient and effective in your work. Lay a strong foundation for your bricklaying career. A solid foundation in the basics will support your growth and development in this trade. Embrace these skills as valuable assets. Continuously honing your skills and learning new techniques will ensure long-term success in your bricklaying career. Mastering the art of using a scale ruler and reading bricklaying drawings is essential for any aspiring bricklayer. It's the bridge that connects the architect's vision to a beautifully constructed building. Practice makes perfect. The more you work with these tools, the more confident you'll become. Embrace these skills to tackle projects with precision and create structures that stand the test of time.